Okay, so you got a mortgage. It's probably on a variable rate. I reckon it's time you seriously consider thinking about fixing. Maybe you just want to go 50-50. But I just want to run through a few charts so to help you make decisions. So we'll start off with the long-term rates. So this is an Aussie 30-year government bond yield rate. Okay, so you can see, so if let's just pretend this is a share. Okay, it's not interest rates, it's a share. That's a bullish pennant, yeah? Would you sell that or buy that, knowing that it typically goes, when it breaks, in the direction of the prior trend? Okay, so I would say the biasness is up. Okay, what about the 10-year rate? Okay, so again, the declining channel wedge. So let's take, we've got more data here. So 1980, look at that. That's why people love bonds, because as interest rates go down, they go up, the value. So since 1980, interest rates have been in a downward trend. There's the lovely rounded bottom. A rounded bottom with a declining channel break. That's what you want. And look at that beautiful buy there. So we've up and then we consolidated in one of those pennants. Break in the direction. Break. And now we've got a bit of a bullish flag pattern going on. So again, I wouldn't be shorting or selling that. Would you? So I would say bias is upwards. Aussie 5-year. Okay, so same story. Down, down, down. Break. Let's go back a bit. So break, so not a pennant, but more of a flag, and up into a new channel. And just recently, this month, this is this monthly candle. So again, it doesn't look like there's much much going on there. So if anything, the direction seems up. Okay, so what about the Aussie 1-year? Okay, there's our declining wedge break. So break, come back in this sort of support area here. And now we've got another little declining channel here, which looks like if that was a share, you'd probably want to buy that, wouldn't you? I guess the underlying theme is inflation. Yeah, so you know, once everyone takes away those subsidies for electricity, that's going to give a rocket to inflation. So the RBA, they won't be able to decrease rates. As we saw yesterday, they were spooked. So Albo's promise of $275 cheaper electricity, full of shit. That guy isn't going to happen. And I guess you can look around at what you're buying. Things getting cheaper? I don't think so. So all I'm trying to do is give a heads up, have a chat to the other half about, especially if you are 100% variable, to say maybe we should go 50-50. If it was me and I had a mortgage, I'd probably fix it all. All right, I hope that helps. Just trying to keep things educated, and good luck, and let us know your thoughts on it and if you're going to do anything. All right, see ya.